Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the game and going straight to Options display. Do this now. Locate the brightness or gamma slider and the HDR toggle if the game exposes it. Adjust the slider in small increments, 10% or 0. 1 gamma steps, so you can see immediate results. Once done, toggle HDR on or off to observe differences, because HDR changes perceived luminance drastically. Make sure to take a quick in-game screenshot of a mid-tone scene for before/after comparison, so you can revert if needed. Once the in-game slider isn't enough, you move to GPU controls and config files. Open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings and tweak digital vibrance, brightness, and contrast for the game profile. This changes output without touching game data. If finer control is needed, close the game and edit saved /config/Windows no editor/game user settings. INI or engine. INI, look for gamma R. Tone mapper gamma or R. Screen percentage entries and adjust small values. Save the file and restart to finish, test your new brightness across several scenes, dark interiors, bright exteriors, and dusk, so you confirm balance. If settings don't stick, make sure to verify game files through your launcher and clear the shader cache. Corrupted shaders can lock lighting. Also check Windows HDR and color profile. Disable HDR if colors look washed out, or adjust monitor OSD brightness/contrast as a last resort. If problems persist, revert your INI backup and reapply. Changes one step at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.